An example of a gerund subject with a gerund verbal complement. Choosing the best candidate was difficult. What are we talking about? Choosing the best candidate. Choosing the best candidate is a gerund phrase subject with the word choosing functioning as the gerund subject and the word candidate functioning as a gerund verbal complement. Choosing what? Choosing candidate. An example of a gerund direct object with a gerund verbal complement. At noon she began practicing the piano. Whom are we talking about? She. She is the pronoun subject. What about she? What does she do? She began. Began is the main verb. She began what? Practicing the piano. Practicing the piano is a gerund phrase with the word practicing functioning as the gerund direct object. Practicing what? Piano. Piano is the gerund verbal complement. An example of a gerund object of a preposition, the gerund verbal complement. He was not very concerned about finding his keys. About finding his keys is a prepositional phrase. About what? About finding his keys. Finding his keys is the object of the preposition about. The word finding is a gerund functioning as an object of a preposition. Finding what? Finding his keys. The word keys is the gerund verbal complement, and the word his is an adjective that describes whose keys.